right, guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and get these mushrooms sauteed. These mushrooms have been washed. I dried them, sliced them. Now we have them in a skillet with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to saute those for just a few minutes, guys. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to layer our seasoning. We're going to start with our salt, our little Himalaya pink salt. We're going to do that. We're going to add our paprika. And we're going to also add our Cajun seasoning and some Creole seasoning to this dish as well. We just want to layer the seasonings on these mushrooms, guys, to kind of heavily season them to mimic the taste of like a sliced beef or something like that. This is going to take approximately about 5 minutes to saute these mushrooms to my liking. Once the mushrooms have been sauteed to my liking, guys, now it's time to go ahead and get this burrito started. So we have our package of vegan sharp cheddar cheese and our spicy mayo and a tortilla shell, guys. We've got our cheese on our shell. We're going to go ahead and add our spicy mayo. And then to that spicy mayo, we're going to go ahead and add our mushrooms. Once the mushrooms have been added, guys, now it's time to roll it up into your burrito roll. And you want to place this in the skillet with the seam side down. This is the same skillet that I sauteed those mushrooms in. All I did was add a little bit of oil, and we're going to allow that seam to seal. So we're just going to saute it just a few minutes until it turns brown. Then we're going to flip it over and we're going to saute the other side until it turns brown. And we're going to do the other side until it turns brown, guys. It's only about a 2 or 3 minute process. It doesn't take it long to brown at all. So once it's brown, guess what? It's time to slice into this baby so you can see exactly what it looks like. Don't that look delicious, guys? Yes, this is a mushroom and cheese vegan roll. Let me know what you guys think.